In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import subscribers using a CSV or TXT file. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable workflow to bring your contacts into your subscriber list without any fuss. Before we start, make sure you have your CSV or TXT file saved and accessible on your computer. A clean file will save you time later, so check that your email addresses are valid and that there aren't extra blank rows or stray characters. If you're using a CSV, keep your columns straightforward, like email, first name, and last name, and avoid special symbols in headers. Begin by opening your dashboard and clicking on the subscriber section. This is where all of your contact management happens, and it's the right place to add or review the people you're reaching out to. Once you're there, click on Add Subscribers. This opens the import options and lets you bring in multiple contacts at once, which is ideal for onboarding a list you've already collected. Next, choose the option that lets you drag and drop a CSV or TXT file. You'll typically see a drop area or a button that says something similar. Grab your prepared file from your computer and drag it right into that area. If drag and drop isn't your style, you can usually click to browse and select the file manually, but dragging is fast and keeps things simple. After the file is in place, click on Import Subscriber. This tells the system to process the file you've provided. You may see a brief loading screen while it checks the data. If there's a prompt, double check that the file name is correct and that you selected the right one, especially if you keep multiple versions. When the file is processed, you'll be asked to choose a group. Groups help you keep your audience organized. Think of them as folders or segments that match your goals, like newsletters, event attendees, or trial users. Pick the group that best fits the contacts you're importing so you can target them more effectively later. Once you're done with your selections, click on Finish Import. The system will complete the upload and add your subscribers to the group you chose. After it finishes, give it a moment to refresh, then glance at your subscriber count to confirm the new contacts are visible. If you spot any discrepancies, check your file for formatting issues like missing emails or duplicated entries, and try the import again. That's it. Your subscribers are imported and organized, ready for your next campaign.